This horror story video got over 6 million views, and it was created using only AI. Right now, this horror style content is going extremely viral. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create these viral horror story videos using AI, even if you never edited anything before. So the first step in creating viral horror story video is finding a good idea. So simply open TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts and simply search for horror story. You can also search for cartoon horror story or horror animation. You want to find videos with high engagement, ideally above 1 million views, a high like ratio, and loads of comments. So for example, I found this video on TikTok with 8 million views and over 700,000 likes. So once you find a video like this, simply copy the link and paste it to your notes, or you can send it to yourself via email so you can open it on your computer. Because we want to get the full script of this video, and you can do it manually, but I'm going to use 11 Labs transcription tool. I'll just paste the video link right here and it instantly gives me the entire script. Now that you have your script ready, just make sure you always rewrite and transform it so your final video is original. And for that, we're going to use ChatGPT. So simply open ChatGPT and then use this prompt together with your transcript. In the section where it says insert your transcript here, simply paste the transcript of the viral video. ChatGPT will instantly create a high-level, ready-to-use horror script. So once you have your script, it's time to generate the actual video. So first things first, head over to Clippy AI and create your account. Clippy AI is currently one of the best tools for creating viral horror story style videos, Reddit style videos, fake chat videos, and even Sora 2 style videos. But for horror style specifically, Clippy really does stand out because it supports both vertical and horizontal formats. This is massive because you can create videos for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, and you can start a full-fledged YouTube channel producing long-form horror videos as well. And Clippy is the only tool I found that can do this. If you want to follow along as we go, you can sign up for Clippy using the first link in the description or pinned comment. When you log in, you'll see categories like AI story videos, creepy cartoon videos, Reddit videos, fake text stories, and more. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the creepy cartoon video model. Here in the dashboard, simply copy and paste the script that ChatGPT generated for you. Then choose your art style. As you can see, they have a bunch of different styles. I'm going to go with Dark Cartoon V2. Next, go to voice settings. Here you can select your voice character. As you can see, there are so many different voices you can choose from. The small arrow right here tells you whether or not the voice is popular and trending right now. If you click on the image bubble, you can listen to a preview and hear how the voice actually sounds like. Once you find a voice that fits your story the best, just select it. Then you can adjust the stability and similarity of the voice right here. But for this one, I'm going to keep it as it is. You can also select video pace depending on whether you want it to be fast or normal. I'm going to go with fast. After we have everything selected, click on generate scenes. Next, select the aspect ratio. If you're uploading to short-form platforms, select the first one, 9:16, portrait mode. If you're going to upload a long-form type video to YouTube, select 16:9. But in my case, since the script is shorter, I'm going to go with portrait mode. And later down this video, I'm going to show you how to create scripts for long-form YouTube videos. Then Clippy AI starts generating your voiceover and your art. And in less than 2 minutes, I have the final video ready. And here's how it looks like.
Did you know in the United States there's a massive hotel on the edge of the desert where guests never seem to leave? They call it the Hotel California. And if you find it, you're already too late. It appears at dusk.
This honestly looks like it's already ready to post. But if you want to make more adjustments, click on background right here. This is where you can change the background music. Clippy AI gives you a variety of different options, and you can even upload your own background audio right here. Then you can adjust the transition style, making it dramatic or keeping it smooth. You can even change the language right here, and under the caption section, you can change the caption style for the video. Once you make your adjustments, just click export and you'll get the final video saved. Now, if you want to create a long-form video for YouTube, you can actually use the same content research strategy that we just used for short-form. Or you can go to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Please provide several real horror stories from the past 100 years that I can use as inspiration when creating a script for a long-form YouTube video. After ChatGPT gives you a list of interesting stories, choose one of them. For example, number 11 sounds interesting. Now, all you have to do is write this prompt. And in the brackets where it says insert the interesting story, strategy, just insert the story you selected. And by the way, you can use this ChatGPT strategy to create original horror story videos for short-form platforms as well. You would simply copy the script into Clippy AI, select your art style and voice, and click Generate Scenes. After that, make sure to select 16:9 version for landscape videos, and here is the final result.
Did you know that one of the most disturbing disappearances of the 21st century happened in broad daylight, inside a crowded airport, in front of security cameras, travelers, taxi drivers, and staff? A young German tourist named Lars Joachim Mittank was visiting Bulgaria with his friends.
Now, the great thing is that Clippy AI creates viral-ready videos. Honestly, the way it generates those horror-style videos is mind-blowing. And while content quality is one of the most important factors when trying to go viral, setting up your accounts before you start posting is also very important. So here is the strategy I would recommend. Phase 1, warm up the algorithm. Create a fresh account. For the first 72 hours, don't post anything. Just scroll, follow, like, and interact with horror content. Also, set up your profile picture and bio so your account doesn't look spammy. This is going to train the algorithm. Phase 2, soft launch. On day 4, upload one horror video on each platform, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Then wait 24 hours. Phase 3, scaling. Once your video begins generating views and showing signs of engagement, start uploading 1 to 2 videos per day on each platform. For long-form YouTube videos, simply spend 1 day setting up your account, adding a profile picture, banner, channel description, and so on. Then on the next day, you can post your video. Just make sure you spend some time crafting a strong title and thumbnail for your horror story video. All right, now let's talk about how much money you can actually make with these videos. For example, TikTok's reward program pays around 0.50 cents to $1 per 1,000 views. So if your video hits 1 million views, that's between $500 to $1,000. 5 million views, $2,500 to $5,000. 10 million views, $5,000 to $10,000. And as you saw earlier, these horror videos tend to get a lot of views. You don't need to hit 10 million views every time. Even 10 million total views per month across all your uploads can generate $5,000 per month. Now, I have to mention that Clippy AI is a paid tool, but for what it delivers, the value is insane. Nothing else on the market comes close to generating this level of horror quality content. So if you want to take this seriously, I would highly recommend getting it. They offer 3 main plans: Lite, Creator, and Pro. Lite plan, which is $19.99 per month, gives you 30 minutes of exports, 30 minutes of AI voice generation, 30 minutes of speech to subtitles, which is perfect for beginners. Creator plan, which is $34.99 per month, gives you 120 minutes of exports, access to 50 plus AI voices and 10 custom voices, faster rendering, 500 AI images. This is their most popular plan, and it's great if you want to post consistently. And Pro plan, which is $69.99 per month, gives you 250 minutes of exports, 250 minutes of AI voice generation, 250 minutes of speech to subtitles, 30 custom voices, and 1000 AI images. This is really the best if you want to take this to the next level and run multiple accounts. If you choose their yearly option, you get 41% discount on any plan you pick. And if you use my code CREATOR at checkout, you'll get an extra 10% off any plan. Again, the link for Clippy AI is in the description and in the pinned comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.